Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got an 03 Xterra. We're doing a power steering pump today. First of all, you'll remove your battery. Take your battery tray. That little insert right there comes out, but the battery tray itself does not. So that'd be awesome if it did get that pump out easier, but hell to the no. So first thing you'll do, see that pulley right there? It's a 14 millimeter. You're going to loosen it up a little bit. You're going to disconnect your power steering connector right here. Take off that Banjo bolt. I think that's a mid-20s. I forgot what that was. Sorry about that. But take that, move the hose out of the way. There's going to be 2 copper crush washers under there. Your new pump should come with it, but if not, make sure you save the old ones. Back here, see right there, that bolt is what loosens up the tensioner to take the belt off. Just move the belt over and out the side. You don't need to take it off all the way. Next, this hose right here for power steering reservoir. Just got the hose clamp, lift it up, take it out of the way, put a drain pan under there, catch any fluid and stuff that goes underneath. The pump itself, there is 2 12s and a 14. 2 12s up top, one here, one at the bottom. They're in a they're in a like a cross pattern. One at the top, one at the bottom, and then one on the side. You can get to them through the holes right here on the pump. The 14 is a very long one. Made it a little easier. I took out this 12 so that way this radiator hose can give you plenty of distance to move everything out of the way that you need it to. But that 14, when it comes out, is going to have a bolt on the back, so it will drop down somewhere unless you stick your hands back in there to catch it. It's like a anchor bolt. The only problem I had going back in here is there's a slide pin / crush sleeve little thing that tightens up as the bolt goes in to lessen the space in between the pump and the bracket. That thing would not go in. I had to fight with that thing for an hour. No place to get in there with a hammer, anything. It just took for god awful ever, because the new pump would not go into the slots in order for the holes to line up. So that was my only biggest bear with this, was dealing with that crap. But once that was in, 2 12s went in, the long 14 bolt went in, and then you're able to stick the nut back there and tighten everything up and get it done. Like I said, make sure you do put new crush washers on here for the copper washers for the Banjo bolt right there. And then yeah, that's about it. Just replace whatever O-rings that come with it and you are good to go. And then make sure top it off, new fluid, let it go down into the pump before you start it up. Let it sit there for about 5 minutes as you're putting everything back together, lessen the air bubbles, and away you roll. Any questions, comments, feel free to let me know.